What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're part of my 43 subscribers, if you're not, my name is Steve Daniel and I help content creators make money. In today's episode, I want to talk to you about how to get an influencer deal, how to have a brand collaboration. I've done a lot in the past, and today I want to showcase a bit about the partnership I did with Car2Go, this German company that have a car sharing services, but also 4 tips that's going to help you land your next collaboration with a brand deal, but also to get the best out of it. So guys, please subscribe and let's get right into it. Guys, so like I said, in 2017 I get an email from Car2Go saying that they saw my name on a blog post and they really want to work with me to promote their services in Montreal, right? And at that point, this was in 2017, and it was not the first collab that I had. Just before that, I had a collab with Interjet, I had a collab with Chevrolet, but the Car2Go one was something that I was super excited about because it was something that came from actually a team not even from Montreal. Actually, no, I'm lying. Interjet 2 was from Mexico, but we'll talk about that another time. So Car2Go, they reach out to me and they say they want me to promote their car services in Montreal, right? And all they wanted at first was for me to post 2 photos on my social media, and that's something you gotta know when you work with brands, right? They're gonna reach out to you and they're looking for some stuff, either a post on your social media, a video, a YouTube content, a blog post. They're gonna set the tone to tell you what they're looking for, and it's for you after to answer back with what you need and how much it would be. In this video, I cannot discuss how much I got paid from this gig, but I can still tell you everything else, right? Now Car2Go reach out to me. They say they want 2 pictures. Me, from there at the time, I realized that you always have to give more than what they asked for in the beginning, right? You want to be able to build a relationship with the brand, right? So what I did was, okay, perfect, thank you. And at the time, the deal was super simple. I would get access to the car. It was a Benz. And what I did was, you know what? They asked for 2 photos, but I'm going to make something different, right? I said, not only I'm going to give them 2 photos, I'm gonna do a blog post and a YouTube video. Guys, I went crazy on this deal. As you can see, it was one of my first deals. It was 2017, guys, 3 years ago, right? I remember it was a good shoot. Actually, there's a video right here. It's on my other channel. You can watch it, the behind the scene and all. We did this video. It was super dope. And from there, I basically built my own campaign with Car2Go. That being said, when the photos were posted, Car2Go actually saw the video that I did on YouTube. They saw as well the blog post. They were super happy. They shared it on their social media platform. And what ended up happening is that Car2Go was super happy with the fact that I actually give them more than what they actually wanted, in a way, because at the end of the day, I'm trying to sell myself. As an influencer, as a content creator, guys, you have to be sure that you can over deliver, to be sure that people will always consider you in the future. And that's the reason why I was able to work with a lot of brands that you guys gonna hear about in this YouTube channel. Like, I've worked with a lot of brands, guys, and for me to be able to live from it is because I was always in a position where I was able to over deliver while respecting myself, because you don't want to give everything and not respecting yourself. Guys, don't forget, you have your rates. You want to be able to give them more than what they're expecting. You know, you have to wow them. Like, when they look at your stuff, they'll be like, wow, right? And from there, I was able to work again with Car2Go for the brunch squad and other car opportunities. And when we take a look about this, so in this video, I said, okay, I work with Car2Go. You guys understand a bit more about how, like, I was able to get that gig. You saw some content, you saw the photos. It's something that I'm pretty sure you can do as well, right? But as an influencer, as a content creator, the question sometimes might be, how can you get those deals, right? One thing first is to be sure that you actually have an online exposure, online presence. In the beginning of the video, I said Car2Go actually found me because of an article that was written about me. Guys, reach out to bloggers or make sure that your work is good enough for people to talk about you, right? For me, I have a couple of blogs talking about me, and this is helping me a lot to get brand deals. That's one. Second thing is to be sure that you actually work on the relationship with them. With Car2Go, what ended up happening is that we had a call. I talked to the team and I was able to start building that relationship, right? It's something that happened over a couple of months. I actually ended up meeting a member of the team in Germany while I was there for Oktoberfest, just to talk and discuss more about how we can build this partnership together. So it's really important to build a relationship early, actually, and to show that you actually care. You have to be authentic to yourself, guys. Building a relationship is actually the thing that's going to help you the most when it comes to you succeeding as a content creator, influencer, or more. The third thing is actually to use your creativity, right? So they're asking for pictures, but I was like, you know what? I have talent. I can do more than picture. I can do a video. I can do a blog post. So use your creativity to actually show them how you can be better by creating other type of content, because it's not only for them, but also for the next brand that want to work with you. They will see what you were able to do with the previous brands. So for me, being a blogger, being a photographer, being a video creator, it was actually something that helped me a lot to create content for this campaign, and it helped me get even more deals after that campaign. And now the last tip I want to tell you guys about is actually to follow up. It's important for you to always keep that relationship going. So I talk a lot about building a relationship with the brand. A lot of the deals that I have came by keeping the relationship with other brands, right? So the fact that I did the collaboration with them, I did the content for them, by keeping that relationship, I was able to actually get more gigs from them, and to be able to have them part of the brand squad, to be able to promote their service as well in Montreal. So that being said, guys, it's really important for you to understand that you need an online presence. You need to be sure that people talk about you. Build your relationship is really important. Be yourself. Be sure that you can showcase yourself, your full creative spectrum as a photographer, videographer, influencer. Be sure that you're able to showcase your whole spectrum, and then follow up to be sure that you're always in a conversation and can have other deals. That being said, guys, thank you again for watching. I'll see you Friday for another video. I actually have a video that I've made with my friend Raph. So we did the video that I posted last Friday about 40 YouTube videos ideas. I did another one to talk about what it felt like for our first month on YouTube, because we pretty much started around the same time. And I'll see you Friday for another episode. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. You can contact me, write in the comments, slide in my DM on Instagram, and I'll see you soon for another video. Peace.